Okay, it's recording.
Hi! This is the Fair and Ashley
Show!
We just got out of school. James is over there. Come on, close up.
Ugh! Get out your pants!
What the hell?
I'm touching my dick, alright?
Yeah, that's the problem. This is our show.
Who the hell is in this camera world?
Oh my god. We're documenting our
No!
That's Nate. The house nigga. And that's...
What's your name?
Virtual.
You're on our show now. Congratulations.
Kiss my black ass.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! That was nasty.
Oh my god!
Oh, James, where you going?
Hopefully somewhere else.
What the hell, James?
You saw his booty?
That shit was fucked up.
Oh my god!
You saw his booty?
That shit was fucked up. I just turned and it's just like just out there.
Oh my god!
I can't believe he really did that shit. I didn't move all the way.
Ashley. That was nasty.
That shit crazy.
Hold up.
What's your?
That
Fish
shit.
fillet. Look at people speeding down the street. Anthony!
Trying to kill everybody in the damn street. Zainab!
Damn, that nigga gone. Watch this. He gonna hit somebody.
Zainab!
Here come the ratchet niggas. Come on.
Oh, it's fucked up.
Oh, y'all felt some type of way.
Right, y'all feel some type of way? Y'all heard because of what?
What?
Y'all heard because of what?
Hi.
We were just coming to video
Hey, Kayla.
Hey.
Y'all on our show.
Oh.
It's the
Fair and Ashley show.
Y'all just got some great guest members.
I know.
Hi, Michael. What's your name?
You
just said
his
it.
name. They said, what's his name?
Wait, so we just got mad on camera?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, no. Stop sign. 25. Right. No, for our not be in the 25. Look, you can slow down too.
You gonna?
No. This
Who's
is not
that?
a deal.
That's Bria.
Stop.
Ugh.
Pause.
Talk about it.
I don't want to talk about her.
Pause.
Oh my god!
You talk about it?
Nothing
Okay.
good as
freaking hate her.
You can't do that.
Look
You're on
who
our
it
show
is.
now.
Okay. This is my best friend.
No, you gotta
Michael.
say Bria. You gotta do Bria.
No, I'm not my best friend.
No, she. I mean,
Kayla, can I have
Are you
some,
listening?
please?
Say oh wait, no, that's gay. Don't drink too much though, cause I'm quite thirsty.
listen.
Okay, thank you. Hey,
What?
It was still on them.
this is my best friend, Michael.
Okay.
Zayna's best friend. Hey, how's Asia? Say Zayna's best friend.
She's cool.
Say Zayna's best friend.
Kayla's interrupting.
Oh, sorry. Say Zayna's best friend.
Zaina's best friend.
I had a headache. I was like, woo-hoo.
That's a shame.
No, look.
That's a shame.
So funny.
He didn't want to claim Zayna for a minute. That's why he kept changing the
I
subject.
know.
Diamond,
Trying to play me.
say hi. Damn, say hi.
Hey!
I'm in the back room.
We lost about like 10 seconds of footage.
You just have to get on the bus every day like some ratchet ass hoes.
I
Yeah.
ain't no hoe.
No, because they be getting on the bus like it's the last piece of chicken.
What are you talking about?
Zayna in particularly.
Is that a word?
Yes. It's
Spell
a-
it.
Shut up. I am particularly.
Uh-oh, Michael. Looks like you walking. I'm just playing.
I got it.
Here I go the bus.
Wait. What are we laughing about?
Because you said, oh, it looks like you're walking. I said, haha, I got it. Turn it off.
Really?
Yeah, what are we going to record? Life on the bus?
Yeah.
Great. I'll go first.
Shut up.